Monsoon hits hard in the mountains. It's like few places being covered with the patches of clouds, and some places are like dry as the desert. But you know what? The actual feel of enjoying in the lap of mountains is literally in monsoon. You aren't sure about anything. The weather just changes here nimbly. And that's the best part. You cannot predict anything. My brother and I both had 2 days off, so we decided to explore the hidden gems of the Dhauladar ranges. We went to the places which are serene to see, to the places where you find eternal peace, where you find the rhythm in the rain, source of magical existence in the unwanted plains, to the valley where the sounds of crickets approach your pain, marching towards the beautiful hamlet while tracing the roads which are taken by few, being accompanied by the flow of river, adding a certainty of existence by telling that our destination is near. The woods blushing completely with the hues of greens, holding the alluring state of certain kindness, making its presence rich than the pin drop silence. The only sound we hear is of our footsteps, marching towards the destination. The light rain showers and the flow of narrow streams, opening wide to the valley of the unforeseen. We being not the regular commuters of this trail, just paving the paths to where it takes. The meandering curves and the small trails, layered with a sheath of greeny layers, leading us forwards to a more isolated place. And here we are, nodding and smiling to the blessings which we cannot relate. Hearing the rush sound of water from the near blinds us to plunge into it, and it was our call to have a holiday, making us forget everything. वक्त सा हो गया था इन वादियों को अलविदा कहने का और अपनी नई मंजिल की ओर अग्रसर होने का। जाने का मन तो नहीं था, पर इस वक्त की बंदिशें थी, तो इन वादियों को अलविदा कहना ही पड़ा। Starting the day by seeing such majestic view is literally a push to yourself for having a great start for the day. It was raining heavily in the upper areas, so we decided to descend and explore the nearby places. You know what? The best part of the journey is when you do not know about the destination and just marching towards the path where your heart says to take it, and that's what we did. But weather just played with us here too, and the mist overtakes the empty roads, making it more dreary. We were somewhere in between these mystic views. And we ended up to this place known as Beer Billy, famous for the paragliding hub. We were welcomed by the slight rain showers, and the views from the top were really eye-catching. And we just melted up by seeing such amazing views. So the plan was nothing. We were just roaming around this place to find nothing. लिखने और सुनाने के लिए तो अनेक से किस्से थे मेरे पास, पर वो सब इन वादियों के आगे फीके से थे। तलाश थी मुझे एक नई कहानी की, जिसके किस्से कहीं ना कहीं रूबरू इन वादियों से मिलते हैं। इस जगह के हर एक पल में कुछ अनकही सी बात थी। बस उन अनकही बातों से कुछ सिलसिले ही शुरू हुए, जो ले गए मेरी कल्पना को दूर उन बादलों तक। जिस चीज के बारे में सोचा था रूबरू वैसा नहीं हुआ। तलाश तो मुझे कहानी की थी जो मिली नहीं, पर हाँ कुछ किस्से जरूर मिले जो संजोकर शायद एक कहानी का हिस्सा बने। उस कहानी का भी जिक्र करूंगा इत्मीनान से जिस दिन उस कहानी के आखिरी पन्ने पर ये कलम रुकेगी। तब तक के लिए लुप्त उठाइए इन वादियों का। We were just roaming around and feeling the chill waves. All know we were shooting and clicking pictures without giving a second thought. In short, we were doing the things which we liked the most at that time. We were enjoying every gif of this moment. We spent almost 5 hours here, and now it was time to see the landing site, which is situated in Bir. We hardly descended 16 kilometers, and the weather here was different. No mist at all, and yes, the partial glares of sunlight were welcoming us at its best. The kind of peace which we wanted was here. This place is best known for sunset, and indeed it was. Nice to see the valley changing its color with the rays of setting sun. It was my first time that I haven't scripted the things. No shots were planned. I was just vibing up with this place and pointed the camera where I thought will look nice to see. That's what I did. I kept it raw. As usual, started with the mystic views, and it was the last day of us to explore. But unfortunately, all the plans got ruined due to rain showers. Somehow, we still managed to capture some hidden gems of this place. To be honest, the rain didn't stop that day. All we can do was to stay indoor in the vehicle and enjoy the bliss of the rain. We ended up sitting in cafe, having a nice time, and sharing our experiences, which we all jotted in previous days.